You transfer to my Gcash bank account. Umalis naman. Kupal pala to eh. Yes, I have. Pero bago. Bago yung ID ko. No call because I'm here in my line. Later. I call you later. Hi, Tom. I call you later, okay? Wait a minute. Couple minute. Okay, bye. Huh? Why you mad? Oh my God, Tommy. Don't, don't do that. Don't angry, okay? Hi. Enjoy your life. Ayan. Wala akong TV. I have IG, but bago. Ah, okay. Because you mad. How many? 200. 200 for ice cream challenge. Call her daddy. $200. Yes, I know that. I know that. This is ice cream and then like that. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Yummy dinner toy. Loki, are you there? Loki, hello. I'm you. Thank you. Yes. 100. Give me 100 again for challenge. How how long? 5 times because I got banned. How long? Send me gift first. Okay, long time no see. Sige. Salamat po. Na, profile. Huh? New profile? Yeah, I know. Thank you, Tommy. You want to challenge, Tommy? Ice cream challenge? You want? At 5 times. Okay, 7. You want to challenge ice cream challenge, Tommy? I do that. Ice cream. Friend, hello. Thank you for follow. Tommy, how are you? Meron, no profile. No profile po. No profile. Bago lang kasi eh. No profile.